Yeah. So yesterday I updated in my group. So it is completely bear strength market. If you observe, Nifty closing price. Uh, See, I updated 26th January. Okay. See, in that video I updated in YouTube 26th January 10 o'clock. So in the 10 o'clock night I'm working. See, every day we have to do homework. So then only we can see this kind of the results. Okay. So yesterday I told you whatever the 25th, the closing price is 14,254. So the important levels 14,324. If the price opens near 324 and open with a high formation, it's a wonderful opportunity to sell. I told clearly. Target maybe I given 14,152, but the market opens in between today. So 27th January, you can see in between, and I clearly told you, I mentioned you 14,145 and 14,165 in between. There is a very strong support. Nifty, very strong support. In fact, it takes the support exactly at 145 in the morning in between, and it went up some points. Okay, so and after that, I clearly told you, if Nifty breaks 14,145, we can see 13,949. I clearly told you in the next, not immediately, in the next days, I told you. But what happened? Nifty is very so much, Nifty is very kind of, it's given today only. And I clearly told you, if hits huge gap down, so I will not chase the price. So today is not huge gap down, so we find an entry. I clearly told you, for me, bulls are taken the rest. Bears are ready to show their strength. For me, above only 14,650, only Nifty bullish. I clearly told you, bulls are taken the rest. Bears are ready to show their strength. So what happened now? So today is the Wednesday, a wonderful day. So you can see my Nifty prediction in 27th Nifty prediction I updated in 26th. This video description also I will give you in this. So let's check the chart and what are the target I given 30,949. Okay, so we will see in the chart. So I given 949 and today's low is 956 till now. So till now 230. So remaining 1 hour is there. So my target is 13,949 and the low is 13,954. Right. So this is called analysis. So anybody want to learn my strategy? Definitely you can ping me. So whatever the traders and the backtested results are there, so I will give you in the description. You can watch that video. You can find my backtested results. Take the entry points and exit points, and you can watch that video. Okay. Thank you guys. After watching, if anybody want to take the trade, you can just ping me. Okay. Thank you. And Nifty fell down more than 286 points. I hope it will recover, and I will update for tomorrow's trade. I will update. Thank you. Good morning, friends. Today I want to show you how we can make the profit by using option buying, the directional method with even with less capital. Uh, this is my trial account. So usually I will run my experiments in this account. So I will show you what are the options I bought today and how much my investment today, and let's see what happened and what is my target, like that. So today I bought 30,000 PE and 30,500 PE. 30,000 PE, why I bought 125? Right now it is in a loss, but no issue. See, whatever I earned profit from yesterday, I'm doing in that profit. I use 20% or 10% only. Okay, for this capital, 10%, usually 10%. So right now the bank nifty is trading 30,982 something, but I bought 30,000 put with a 5 lots and 1 lot 30,500. So we'll see. Today is a Wednesday. We will see the magic in Thursday. What will happen? So I'm feeling the bank nifty will go below 30,000. It is right now it is 900 points away, but still I'm buying. See, the naked option is always very risk to buy. I'm buying for OTM, so no one, if no one, if you don't have any knowledge, so don't buy the whatever the naked options. Okay, so if you have only conviction through, so then only you have to buy. See, still I'm buying. Why? Because I'm using yesterday's 5% capital. I'm using only that 5% capital only, so that's why. So even if it is loss, I don't buy. So it is already crossed 4,000 rupees or 3,000 something. So let's see what will happen. Okay, thank you. Welcome back, guys. So morning I taken one position, I told you also. So right now we will see what happened in the market. See, still now it is running with a profit. Morning I'm in the last 3,000 or 4,000 something. So but it is now running into a positive mode. So whatever we bought at a 40, I told you 30,000 put option, 30,500 put option. We bought both together. So right now it is trading around 90. We bought at a 30 levels, 30,000 put 100 put and 30,500 put. So we bought around 100 and here it is 3 not 2. So money more than 3 times, and in 30,300 30,000 PE also it is also in a good mode. It is also whatever money triples. In this also money triples. This is a live trade, guys. So in this live trade, what I'm going to tell you, as option buyers, if you know the directions correctly, you can make money. So for details, whatever my strategy, whatever is there, I will so I will update in the description. See, if I see the price and P&L, it is always fluctuating in my mind. Okay, so I will let it together. So right now it is in a profit mode. So right now I'm deciding whether I have to book it or not. Wait, I will book it this one. So this one I will book it in front of you. So wow, it's cross. See, in just to show you how can we invest, how can whatever the things here there. So how can by doing a small capital. See, this is my trial account as I earlier told you. So by investing less amount, how can we make money by option trading? So by the way, my course demo details, so whether backtested report, all these things I will update in whatever I will give you in the description channel below. So you just know, yeah, massive hit. It's going down. Okay, let it be. Profit is profit. So right now we booked as 97. Presently, right, it is running at 112 or 108 something. So I just invested only 3,000 rupees, but right now my profit is more than 10,000 rupees. So I invested just 3 or 4,000 rupees something. So right now my profit is more than 10,000 rupees. So why I showed you this practical video, because I have to prove myself before that course. To take any course, I have to prove myself. So that's why I made this video. So if anybody interested in my course with a backtested proof, I will show you. We got in a 52 trade signals by using scanners in my trade. In that 52 trades, we got a more than in that 52 trades we got more than 46 trades. In each and every trade we got more than 80 plus points in Nifty and 300 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is the proof, live trading proof. By investing, small trader or retail traders also make money by option buying. If you know the direction, why we have to go option selling with a huge amount of capital? Okay, so this is the main concern in this to prove myself. So how we can make money 2x and 3x. But when the situation comes, then only we have to trade. As per my signals, I traded in this. Okay, thank you. So whatever my course details are and whatever the things are there, so I will update. I will give you in the description. Wow, so it's 12,000. Awesome. By investing 3,000 rupees, profit is 12,000 rupees. What you want? Okay. So thank you. Guys, finally I closed 12,400 rupees profit. So here is the trade details. So we bought 31,000 put option at 300. Right now it is 500. So and we bought 30,000 put option at 36. Right now it is 120 rupees. And we bought 30,000 put option. Right now it is at 52. Right now it is we will see what right now it is 375. So we booked on 373, 351 something or like that. So by investing 3,000 rupees, we made 12,000 rupees. So this is the way I showed you how we can make money by using option buying techniques. So whatever why I've showed you by only using 3,000 rupees, because this is my trial account, guys. So most of the retail traders are struggling or something like that to identify the trend and directions. So to prove myself, so my strategy is working or not. So that's why I showed you this is working, guys. This is working. So whatever the backtested results are there, so I will give you the description in the link, so you can find it, that video. In that video I completely explained whatever the in whatever the backtested results are there. So I completely explained. If you want, you can go through it. Okay, thank you.